Hello everyone, this is the RV we recently bought, a 2006 Jayco fifth wheel. So in this movie we will show you this RV and how we're pulling it out of the storage area using our truck. We are going to move the RV thanks to that new hitch installed here. So that's our new RV. Let's go and visit, huh? So as you can see, it's the smallest here. Oh, actually that one looks a lot more crappy over there. Well, there's a bad one. But I think I kind of like that one better. That's like a huge coach. But that's ours here. So let's go inside.
Hello.
Hello, you inviting me inside, girls?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and visit. So that is the sofa that extends. Okay, so that is the bedroom here, which is the header. So
Come check out our dinner table.
the dinner table, the little kitchen here, where we have a microwave on top. We actually have an oven and a stove here. Here's the fridge. Yep. And here it gets really dark with no light. You have some bunk beds here. Yes, and here is the shower, well, the little bath. It is just too dark. It's hard to see much with the toilet. Yep. All right, thank you, girls. Yeah, a bit of storage on the top, but more storage here. And that extends. Got it. Pretty cool. You did it.
No, it's too high.
It's too high? Well, not an easy task here. Precision work. Wow. Locking it up? Wow.
It's on there.
Okay.
Thing is, can I sit there?
Yeah, it's coming out. Yeah, I've got the best truck, huh? My little Hemi. Wow. Yeah, it's moving, it's moving. That's actually...
Let me know how close this tailgate is. Get video ready.
Okay. If you like this movie, please thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.